Let's read the question. Students, in this question we are given with an alcohol, and when it reacts with H2SO4 at 170 degrees Celsius, a compound A is formed. When this compound A reacts with NBS, a compound B is formed. We have to identify the major product. So let's see what happens when alcohol reacts with H2SO4 at 170 degrees Celsius. First, this alcohol, I'm drawing the alcohol, and there is CH3 on the next carbon. This one first H plus attacks, so the lone pair of this oxygen attacks on H plus, and hydronium ion is formed. O H H, there will be a positive sign on this oxygen, and CH3. Now student, this bond will shift towards oxygen and elimination of water takes place. This occurs at 170 degrees Celsius. So student, here it is CH3 and here it will be a positive sign. Now student, on higher temperature, this bond will shift here and H plus will be eliminated and an alkene is formed. Now student, this is compound A. Up now,
NBS. NBS is N-bromosuccinimide.
this is a brominating reagent used for allylic and benzylic substitution. This attacks on A. So when NBS attacks on this compound A, this is CH3, bromine will appear here at the allylic position. So student, it is very clear that the compound B, this is the major compound, the B formed is option number 2. So the correct answer is option 2. Moving to next question students, which is question number 77. Let's read the question. Consider the following reaction. This is alkyl bromide when reacts with KCN gives alkyl cyanide. The reaction will be fastest in which solvent? Student, the given reaction follows SN1 mechanism, as this is 3-degree alkyl halide. And for SN1 mechanism, and we all know that SN1 mechanism is accelerated in polar protic solvent such as ethanol. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, that is question number 78. Let's read the question. The compound that is most difficult to protonate is? Student, in this question we need to know that the lone pair of oxygen is more delocalized on the benzene ring. As a result, will be less available for protonation, and the more benzene ring is present in option number 4, which is diphenyl ether. So option number 4, that is diphenyl ether, is most difficult to protonate because the lone pair of oxygen is more delocalized on the two benzene rings. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question students, which is question number 79. Let's read the question. 1-degree alcohol among the following is? So student, for this question we need to know that if OH group is attached with the primary, that is 1-degree carbon, the alcohol is called as primary or 1-degree alcohol. So let's see in which case OH is attached to primary carbon. No, this is, in this case carbon is 2-degree, in this case carbon is 3-degree, in this case carbon is 1-degree, in this case carbon is 2-degree. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question students, which is question number 80. Let's read the question. Major product formed in the reaction is? Student, this is hydroboration oxidation reaction. Here it is alkene. This one reacts with diborane, that is B2H6, in the presence of THF, that is tetrahydrofuran, and further reacts with H2O2 in basic medium. This is hydroboration oxidation. And in this reaction, addition of water takes place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. So the product formed is option number 3, that is CH3, CH double bond CH2, CH3, CH. H is attached here and OH is attached here. That means N-propyl alcohol is formed. So the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, students, which is 81.